Welcome to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post tutorial videos related with app. And in today's video it's going to be about TikTok, and it's on how you guys can see your watch history on TikTok. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future videos. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. So let's move on with today's video without any further ado. To see your watch history on TikTok, you need to click on your profile picture or your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you do that, you can see where it says settings and privacy. You want to click on settings and privacy. It's gonna bring you over here. Now once you're over here, you can see where it says your watch history. By scrolling a bit down, keep on scrolling a bit down until you see your watch history. So on my screen, it's over here right below language. So I click on watch history, and once I click on watch history, all of my watch history is going to be shown over here. But remember, your watch history is going to be resetted every 1 month, so you can only see the watch history of 1 month. Alright, so yes, that's basically how you guys can see the watch history. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.